Good morning, everyone. I'm Dr. Michael Caniel, and this is my October message out to the community. Well, the school year is well underway. We are as busy as can be. Our virtual campus team has got our tutorials running, and in a matter of no time at all, I think our registrations were well over 1,000 registrations. So congratulations to Diane, her team. I know it was a lot of work, a lot of stress, but we got that underway. I just finished a meeting with the PRT, the Provincial Resource Team, and Debbie, and I have to tell you that I'm quite impressed with the quality of the work they're doing. They're engaged in so many different things, preparing for a big conference in the spring. More to come on that, but stay tuned. I think it's really exciting. And of course, every time I talk to Christine, her team is developing new resources, providing new workshops, and doing a lot of things that lead the way in education. I'm particularly impressed with the work that they're doing with the RECI. So great work, everyone. Again, don't stop now. I just wanted to maybe highlight something important that very often we don't talk about, and that is parental engagement. Back a couple weeks ago, we were struggling to get our program for the tutorials off the ground, and we managed to do it with the support of parents committees and parents groups, and I have to tell you, it was very much appreciated. But parental engagement really goes beyond that. It goes to hopefully having parents become interested in what goes on in the classroom, in the schools, looking at the curriculum and engaging in that particular side of things. School should be much more than simply packing a lunch for your child, sending them off to school on the bus, and then bringing them back and taking them back at the end of the day. Parental engagement really means looking at the homework, looking at the talking to the teachers, getting engaged on so many different levels. There's all kinds of research that demonstrates that when parents do get engaged and involved in the lives of their children at school, that the children do better. They seem to feel that if their parents care enough to be there, then it's worthwhile for them to make the effort. Now, I recognize, of course, that this isn't always feasible. Some parents work and just can't manage to do anymore. But for those who can, I strongly encourage you to do this. Now, I know that very often school principals and others don't always like to see parents engaged per se in what goes on in the school. But I'm not talking about parents going in to complain or anything like that. I'm really talking about parents providing a level of oversight to make sure that what goes on in the school makes sense, to provide a perspective, a point of view that sometimes educators need to hear. So again, urge you parents to take a look at what's going on inside your child's school, become engaged, take a look. Don't I know that the rules and the regulations right now offer parents a lot more input and on what goes on inside the schools than they very often take the time to exercise. So take a look at all this, get engaged. It's in the best interest of all your kids. That's my message, short and sweet for October. I wish you all well. I will see you in a month from now. Bye now.